Thank you for joining us in Section 2 of Rise Up in the Age of AI as we explored the topic of building a growth mindset. We hope that this section has provided you with valuable insights into the power of mindset and how it can help you overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. Throughout this section, we covered various aspects of developing a growth mindset, starting with an introduction to the concept of growth mindset, its importance in the age of AI, and examples of successful individuals who have embraced this mindset. We then delved into how to overcome limiting beliefs and how to reframe them into growth opportunities. We explored the power of positive thinking and techniques to cultivate this habit. We also learned how to adapt to change and uncertainty and identified examples of individuals who have successfully leveraged new opportunities arising from change. In the final video of this section, we learned about the importance of resilience and persistence in developing a growth mindset and examined techniques to build these qualities. We also explored examples of individuals who have demonstrated these qualities and achieved success in the face of adversity. We hope that you found this section informative and helpful in building a growth mindset for yourself. In the next section, we will be exploring the changing nature of work and the job market, and identifying new career opportunities. In Section 3, Identifying New Career Opportunities, we will be discussing the impact of AI and automation on the job market, and how it is changing the nature of work. We will explore emerging industries and job roles and how to identify new career paths and opportunities. This section will provide you with valuable insights into the future of work and equip you with the knowledge to stay relevant and thrive in this changing landscape. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in Section 3 of Rise Up in the Age of AI.